Hi everybody, thanks for clicking on this video. Today I am going to share the income that I made from YouTube for the month of August. So if you don't know, if you're a YouTuber, you get paid for the month prior, from start to finish, the month before, a month later. So I get paid this month for the total month of August, as long as you reach at least $100. So thankfully I am blessed and I appreciate you guys, of course, for your watches, your likes, your subscribes. I have reached that goal every month since I got monetized, which was in last July. But my goal every month is to make a minimum of $200. That's my goal. I've only hit it a couple times, unfortunately, but that's okay. We're still here. We'll get there. So I've only made it a couple times, but comment down below if you think I made it for the month of August. You got to do it now before I tell you. Okay, so for the month of August, let me show you my stats first. All right, so these stats weren't great, but I say so many times that I'm not 100% sure how much the stats affect the pay or I don't know what stats affect what. And I can't figure it out. So I just go come on here and I just do me, because the rest is just too much to handle for me. So stats, views, I got 19,030 views for the month of August, which is down 27% from the month of July. Watch hours, which means how many hours people watched my videos, was 1,956, about the same as July. Subscribers, 71 subscribers, which is down 45% from the month of July, which is odd to me because I feel like, honestly, no, it's not. I did not post as much in August, so that just tends to happen sometimes, but that's okay. I gave myself a kind of a break in July and August, so I didn't expect to make $1 million one day. And the total that I got was $159, which is about the same as July. So no, we didn't make the $200, but that's okay. So I did set up a budget for how I want to allocate these funds. So that's what I'm going to do now. I did go to the bank and I took the money out in cash, which is what I usually do with my YouTube income. And I try to fill out things either that I don't feel like I can complete with my regular paychecks, or things that are coming up sooner. I just try to be strategic about where I'm putting the money. So total, we have 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 159. So it's not a lot of money, but it's extra money. So extra money is always a good thing. I mean, who's going to turn down extra money? Not me. And this is, the small amount is temporary. I'm speaking it into existence that this is just temporary. In the next couple months, we're gonna be booming, okay? All right, so I always start off my YouTube income with my YouTube binder. This is my OG binder. This is the binder that I started with. So if you ever go back and look at my first cash stuffing and when I first started my videos, this was my baby, and this is the one I still recommend to everybody. This didn't come with it. I made this out of resin, I think it's called. And I got these puffs because I was selling them keychains. But I always recommend this one because this one on Amazon, it comes with a calendar, an agenda. It comes with the envelopes, the stickers, and I think it even came with a pen and the binder. So, and I think it was like $12, something like that. Between $10 and $15, but it was definitely worth it. So that should be on my Amazon storefront. I'll try to tag it if I remember. All right, so I always put $50 in taxes. It should be a percentage, but that's not what I do. I don't like that. All right, and the rest of this is in Sofi. So I put this $50 in here. Next thing in here that I'm gonna fill is giveaways. So in giveaways, I'm putting I'm not putting anything in giveaways this time, which I usually do. Supplies, I'm putting $20 in here. When we get to 5,000, which we're close. We're close. When we get to 5,000, I will be doing a giveaway. 20, 40, 60. I don't announce my giveaways in advance though. So sometimes I do a loyalty giveaway where I'll ask you a question. Sometimes I'll do a random giveaway, and sometimes I'll do one where I ask you a budget related question, and whoever gets that right first wins the giveaway. Last time I gave away a 100 envelope challenge. I think this time I might give away one of these because I definitely think that a new budgeter could really use that. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is my binder. I try to give myself something every time I get one of these paychecks. It's not a lot, but something. I'll give myself $25 this time. What am I gonna put it in? I'll put it in shopping. I emptied this out and took it back to Sofi. Oh, so why did I? You know what? I'm not doing this anymore for these either, because I'm clearly I'm taking these trackers out. All right, we're gonna put $25 in shopping. I took those trackers out of almost all the other envelopes, so it was time for that to go. That's all that I'm getting. Supplies I already put. Let's do our family binder. That's gonna get just $10 in family fun. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. 95 in family fun. Okay, and then another one that I haven't contributed to that often is registration. So the car registration, that's not coming up until I think July of next year, but still, you know, I can throw a couple dollars in there every once in a while. It's in here. No, which one is that? Registration is this one. All right, we're just putting $10 in there. I don't even know how much it will be. My state, I don't know what they do. They love to charge us for every little itty bitty thing. All right, so long-term binder, that's the last one. Passport is getting $8 exactly because it will be done. Oh my God, I can't believe this will be done. I am very happy that passports is done now. So I wanted to save $330. There's money in Sofi for the rest of this. Let's see, so in cash, it has 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So it has 28 in cash. And what am I doing? And this will go back to Sofi. I don't know when, but I'm not getting our passports until she turns 16 because I will have to buy her a new one as soon as she gets 16, and she's just turned 15. Oh, she'll turn 15 this coming week. So there's no point in getting one for a year. The trip that we'll go to on her 16th birthday will just be a cruise because it's too hard to kind of figure out whether her passport will expire if we're going on her birthday. It was just too much. So we're going to go to the Caribbean. So that way we won't need a passport. We just need our enhanced ID. All right, home emergency is also getting $10. And this I keep in cash. It has 100. I only want about $200 in here. And let's see what else. Miscellaneous savings. Oh, vacation. I almost forgot. Vacation needs some cash. So vacation now has 20, 40, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, $60 in cash. And then the last one is back in our family binder. I forgot about it. miscellaneous savings. And I think we can color another one of these in now too. So it now has 20, 40, 50, 60. Yep, so I can color in another one of these. Oh, this one's new. Alright, and the goal for this envelope is also $200 just to keep on hand for anything that's not covered by all the other binders. And then, can you guess where that last $1 is going? That one's going to our $1 challenge. Every time I touch this challenge, this thing gets a little bit thicker and I get a little bit more excited to finally count this. I'm very interested to see how ones, saving up ones, you know, how many this amounts to. I should do a giveaway if you can guess how much is in here. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do that one day. I don't know when, but I think I'm gonna do that before I count. All right, that's it. We got our YouTube income for the month. We're shooting for 200 every single month. So for the month of September, we're on track to reach that. So hopefully we do. As always, thank you so much for your likes, your comments, your subscribes, your shares. I appreciate you for sharing with your friends who might be having trouble with budgeting. I hope that I explain budgeting in a clear, easy manner. And I don't have a lot of money. That's okay. I'm okay with it. There are other ways that I am working on making more money, but I am content with what I have right now, and I am making the most of what I have right now. So if you're on that journey and that path with me, I appreciate you, and I hope your journey is going well. Thank you so much for watching. I want you to always remember it is about progression and not about perfection. Thanks for watching and happy saving. Bye. Thank you.